Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for liking the video and watching the video. I appreciate you. So to make this video, I'm going to be using this yarn. It is discontinued, unfortunately. I do like it a lot. I bought a lot of it because I like how it looks like lace. So I've used the yarn before. It says that you can use a 2.5 millimeter to 3 millimeter hook, but I am going to use a 3.5 because I want it to be a little bit loose. So I was looking for scissors. I want it to be a bit loose. So let's get started in making our top. I am going to crochet 140. This works out with multiples of 6, but I managed. So you can do multiples of 6 until around 140, or you can say, divided by 6 and then add what's left over. But I'm going to crochet 140 chains. Okay, so this counts as 1. So let's continue and make 140 chains by going 1, 2, 3. So that counted as 1. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to make 140. All right, I have chained 40 and I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, and now we are going back. It's here with double crochets by going under and over. So go back all the way with double crochets. This is row 2. We are making double crochet. So as you can see, making double crochet. So go back down the row, down the chain with the double crochet, and I will meet you at the end to make row 2 of our crochet lace cardigan. I have reached the end of the row. So this pattern is going to be a repetition type of pattern. This is row 1. So it's double crochets. And then now we're moving on to row 2. Like I said, this is going to be a repetition pattern of 4 rows. Okay, so this is the first row. I chained 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to skip 1, 2, and I'm going to make a double crochet. 2, going to make a double crochet, chain 1, 2, and then in the same space a double crochet, and chain 2, 1, 2, and then you're going to skip 1, 2 and make a single crochet in here, chain 1, 2, and then skip 2, 1, 2, double crochet. We're going to make a V, chain 1, 2, and then in the same space a double crochet. And now we're taking the V down, 1, 2, skip 1, 2, and then a single crochet, chain 1, 2. We are putting up the V now, 1, 2, and then in the third we are making the V, chain 2, 1, 2, in the same space to make the V. We are taking down the V now, 1, 2, skip 1, 2, single crochet, and now you need to take up the V. So you're going to continue and do that. All right, let me show you. I'm going to zoom in all the way. So it's chain 1, 2, skip 1, 2, and then go in here with a V. We're putting up a V, chain 1, 2, and then go back in the space with a double crochet, and then chain 1, 2, take down the V, 1, 2, go down, with a single crochet, chain 1, 2, we are putting up a V, skip 1, 2, and then let's put up a V, chain 1, 2 in the same space. So continue on this pattern. This is row 2. All right. So because I didn't count the 6s, I am going to show you a little hack. So I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to just count 1, 2. I'm gonna go in the 1, so just count 1, because now I was left with doing that, and then I'm going to count 1 and then go into this space to make the V, chain 1, 2 in the same space, and then I'm going to make a double crochet in the end, or the last double crochet, which was a chain 1, and now this is row 3. Remember I said that this is a repetition pattern, so let me just put this underneath so it's easier for you guys to see. I'm just gonna put this brown thing so you can see easily. I chained 1, 2, 3. We are moving into the next row. So I chained 3, now I'm going to chain 1 more, so that I've chained 4, and we are going to go in the spaces. So you are going to go underneath and say 1, 2, we're not closing the double crochets, 3, and then now we can close all of them, and then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, and then we are going to do the same thing we did in the same space. We're going to do this 3 times. So okay, 1, 2, 3, and then you go through all of them, chain 1, 2, and then again in the same space, 1, 2, and 3, and then go through 1, 2, 3, 4. Go through all 4, chain 1, and then we are going to do the same thing in this V. So leave this, it's fine. We're going into the next V and we're going to do the same thing. So you go underneath once, pull through, and then pull through all 4, chain 2, 1, 2, again in the same space, go underneath and over, under, over, under, over, and then go through all 4, chain 1, 2, do the same thing again, 1, 2, 3, and then go through all 4, chain 1, and then move into the next V. So this is how it's looking. So move into the next V by doing exactly what we did. Go under, over, and then 2, 3, go through all of them, chain 1, 2, and then do this 3 times in the same space, 2, 3, go through all of them, chain 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, go through all of them, chain 1, and this is how it's looking. All right, I'm going to meet you at the end of the row. This is row 3. We're going to do the last row, and then you are going to repeat what we have done here. You're going to start here with the double crochets, go through here, and then you're going to do the last bit. It's the end of the row, and I'm going to chain 1 and make a double crochet at the end of the row. Chain 1, turn the work around, and now we are going to chain 1, 2, 3. We are going to skip. We're skipping this space, skipping one of the leaves of the flowers, and we are going to make a double crochet in the space. Chain 1, make a double crochet in the space, chain 1, make a double crochet over the chain 1. Actually want to go underneath the chain 1. Chain 1, go in here, chain 1, between, chain 1, go underneath, chain 1. So we're doing chain 1, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet in this space, chain 1, double crochet in between the flowers, chain 1, double crochet in here, chain 1, double crochet in here, chain 1, double crochet in between the flowers. So this is how it's looking. All right, chain 1 in between the petals, chain 1 in between, chain 1 underneath. This is how our flower is looking. Okay, continue on this row. This is row 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth row is double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, chain 1. Continue on the row, and then we are going to start repeating the row. So we're going to make double crochets all the way, and then start again this and that and that. So we're going to repeat the rows. It's the end of the row, and I am going to make a double crochet. This was the last leaf, and I'm going to make a double crochet in that chain of 3, which counts as our double crochet. Chain 1, 2, 3, that counts as our first double crochet, and then I'm going to double crochet in this space. Remember, we are starting chain the first row, so now it's double crochets all the way. So you're going to double crochet in between the space and over the space. So in between the double crochet and over the double crochet, in between and over the double crochet. So continue and do this. This counts as row 1. So you're starting over the pattern. And then of course row 2, we are going to make the V's. So it's going to work out. With row 2, you don't need to do what we did, because we had some few double crochets missing. So that corrected it. What we did in the beginning corrected it. So continue and do this. If you're not sure, please go back and watch the video where I make the V stitches. So this is over. It's going to show you exactly what you need to do after you have done the row of double crochets. You are going to make the V stitches. So with the V stitches, you can see you still need to start with the 1 double crochet here, you're going to start with a 1 double crochet here, and then 1, 2, and then make a V in here. So what I have noticed with this pattern is that a V needs to be in between here so that they can align, so the flower can align. So if your V is not in here, it means that you've skipped a stitch somewhere. You need to go back and check where you skipped a stitch, because these need to be aligned, and then the single crochets are gonna be on top somewhere. They're not going to be in between. So once you get here, start with the double crochet when you get to the end, and then count 1, 2, make the V, 1, 2, single crochet. You see it's already ending on top of this. So 1, 2, this stitch in between, you see, 1, 2, single crochet on top. So it's going to align like that, and then we move on to this flowers, and then you're going to move to the row of skip 1, and then you start over again. I hope that this explained it very well, and then you make as many rows as you want. I'm going to show you how many rows I have done so far. I'm just going to add a couple more rows because I want it to be slightly bigger. So this is such a beautiful pattern. I absolutely love it. And yeah, so I've made basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 repetitions. I'm starting with the 8th now. I think I would leave it at 8, but I'll meet you once you have done as many as you want to make. If you want to make it longer, make more. If you want to make it kind of crop but still longish, yeah, leave it at that. And then we are going to make the waist, of course, so you need to leave space for that. Remember to leave space for that. So yeah, I just want to show you one more time. So this is the last row for me, for how long I want it to be. I've made 8 rows already, so I'm just going to, I've chained 1 at the end here, 2, 3, you chain 4. This is when you move on from the solid into this one. So you can see previously we counted 1, 2, 3, so that these things are aligned. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then in the 4th we're going to do that 1, 2, 3, and then in the 4th. In the 4th you can see it's in the middle here. All right, it's this one in the middle. So you will see that every time you make a V, the V is in the middle, and chain 1, 2, and the single stitch 1, 2 is on the post. So you can see that it's here. All right, so chain 1, 2, and then we are making a V, count 1, 2, and then the 3rd you can see it's in the middle. Chain 1, 2, make the V again, chain 1, 2, and then count 1, 2, single crochet, it's on the post. So you're going to continue, and then you are going to make this row of the flower, and then this one, and then back to the solid. But because this is the last one, I'm going to end it with the flower because I want the end to be wavy. So I'm going to end it with this. I'm not going to do the skip, double crochet, skip, double crochet. And then we can put our top together. I will write the instructions in the comments as well in case you get confused. Hi everyone. All right, so I made 2 panels. I was going to leave it like that, but I've decided I'm going to complete all the rows, and we are going to put this top together. So we have the 2 panels, and they need to face each other. Just like that. So going to turn the work around so they're facing each other, but they also, I mean, the flowers are facing up. I want the flowers facing up. So I am going to start putting these together. Let's just zoom in, and we are going to crochet these and make the neck. So depending on how big you want the neck to be, you can leave it. If you want the neck to be a small neck, you can leave it here, or if you want the neck to be bigger, you can literally just crochet a little bit. I would say 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 flowers. If I go this side and I say 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers, I will maybe 5, 6. Yeah, I'm going to do until 6 flowers on each side, or 5 flowers. Let me do 5 flowers on each side, well, covering 5 flowers. So you can put this together by going under and then pull through both and then chain 1. So you can put this together with a crochet hook, or you can use a yarn needle. I just prefer to use the crochet hook to put this together. So I will do the edge, the lovely edge at the end. Did I go in here? No. At the bottom, just to make it nicer. I like how even on the neck, when it's done, it's still very nice. You don't need to do a lot around the neck, because with other projects you might need to do like a half double crochet or something around the neck. But with this, it is complete. So we are doing single crochets to put our top together, just like that. So far we've covered 1, 2, 3 flowers, and then we are headed to the 4th. You can even count at the top how many single crochets you have made so far, if it's going to be easier for you. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on the 5th, and I will leave it on the 5th and then go do the other side. And then we are almost done with the top. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right above there, that's where I'm supposed to end it. Oh dear. There and there. I'm going to chain 1, and then I'm going to cut off. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And when you are done, you can hide your yarn needle by just pulling through and then just zigzagging this under the top, under the single crochets. All right. Right, we are putting the arms together now. Now this is the top, and we've done our neck, and now we are putting the arms together. This is the sides. So you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers, group of flowers, and then I'm going to attach. If you want the arm to be bigger and more open, you can just move 1 flower down, and let me outline these. And start your single crochets there. So you just single crocheting down on the arm. So the same way that you have crocheted, or the same side, continue doing that with the arm. Like you can see, this is that, because we're going to turn this inside out, and then it's going to look like this. All right, so continue with the single crochets putting together the top, and then I will meet you to make the edge, and we will be done with our top, unless you want to add other things to it. Okay, we are going to turn this inside out so that we can do the edge of our top. If you like it the way that it is, you can leave it here and you will be done with your top. But I want to do the edge. This neck is quite wide, but let's see. Okay, so to do the edging, you can cut off the yarn, but I just pulled it inside out so that I can turn the work around, and then this is how it looks. I'm going to chain 1, 2, chain 1, 2, and then I'm going to skip 1, 2, and then in the third I'm going to double crochet 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to skip 1, 2, and then I'm going to make a single crochet in this space. I'm gonna zoom in to make it easier for you to see. So count 1, 2, and then in the third we're going to do 5 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, skip 1, 2, and then in the third do a single crochet. So you continue and do this all the way around. 1, 2, and then I'll meet you at the end, and that will be the end of our top really. 3, 4, 5, then immediately 1, 2. All right, so this is how it looks, and yeah, our top is complete. So let me know in the comments if you have made the top. Thank you for the like, the views, and the subscribe. Be blessed.